Hello guys, another do-it-yourself guitar is here. This one is a bit smaller, or at least I hope so, because that's what I ordered, but it's quite a big box. I have some issues with the microphones. One is dying, the other one is probably working, but I'm not sure, so I'll find out after the video. Now, let's go ahead and open this thing. So this is supposed to be a small short scale guitar, kid size. This one's quite big. Oh, okay. Yeah, that explains a lot. So I have a few quantities of. Oh. Yeah, okay. Oh, more. Oh, these are actual parts. They don't go properly. Okay, I'll get this out of it. Must. And videos. So let me show you the amount of whatever that is called. I mean, I get it. You have to protect it, but come on. Out of the way now. So the actual guitar is here. Link will be in the description. As usual, comments are appreciated as long as they're relevant. It's even smaller. Come on. Okay. Oh, that's a super old rubber. It's falling apart in my hand. Not a good start. All right, what do we have here? We got as dry as possible. That is so dry. It's unpleasant to hold. So that's the neck. Oh, it's okay. Well, it will. Yeah, with some lemon oil, it will get there. Good. Nothing sticking out there. Some of the frets are not all the way to the end, but they're not sticking out here, so that is good. Next we have, okay, let's leave this for last. So we have the guitar body here. Oh, it's very light. That is very light, totally unfinished, super dry. Yeah. Smells a wee bit. Not very unpleasant, but yeah, lemon oil will do. Now all the electronics are already installed. Is that what I have to work with? Okay, so that's what I get for the input, I think. Tremolo goes there. 3 pickups, the switch. That seems to work nice. Tone, volume. Yeah, that's good. Well, it's good that it's installed and it seems to work, but it's super dry. And what do we have here? Now, I'm not going to assemble this now because this thing is going to be custom paint, and then you're going to see the final results. Okay. Oh, we even have strings. That's good. So screws, springs, bridge, nice and shiny. Tuning case, good. The input is right there. Both plates. Oh, even a serial number. That's cool. I don't know why they bother and put in the sets or kits or whatever you want to call them cables like this. This just don't. It's rubbish. It's going to go in the bin. And a couple of Allen keys as well. Well, looks good. So, because this is going to be custom paint, I don't know if this is going to be custom paint. Why not actually? Probably both will. So there will be no assembly, and then the assembly will be in another. Actually, let me know what you think. Do you want another? I forgot the word because it's late and I'm tired. Time-lapse video, or you would like one of these when I'm blubbering incoherently and annoying you to death. So just let me know in the comments. But yeah, looking like an interesting project, and I hope it's going to sound good, but definitely it's tricky because it's dry. Yeah, let's stop it there and let's go ahead and do the painting. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.